Y'all just let me talk all that time with no audio. Well, hey, appreciate you, XO Cole. Well, here, let's see. XO Cole, top of the morning. Audio Reese, good morning. Mom, good morning. Jack, good morning. Also, thank you, Mom. D Scurv, good morning. Levi, top of the morning. Natasha, good morning. All right, so, yo, here we are out here trying to on the prowl, but also not too jumpy on anything. Here, I want to take a look at AMD. AMD looks kind of. Oh no. So AMD, we're still here on a weekly candle, but AMD, we haven't uh we haven't swept this 157 level yet on the weekly for AMD. Like we came kind of close, but we hadn't swept it, so that might be a nice entry for the future. And the $12 put on TSLL. Let's see what Tesla's looking like. Hold on, let's flip what spot we're looking at it on. Yeah, so most of the things I see today are just kind of like pinned. So I see a lot of stuff. If you were in anything today and you've been holding it, it's very likely that Theta is doing this thing right now and kind of working against you. Choppy all morning and big time. Good morning. The waters are choppy. Chase, good morning. Opens pushing. Hey, we can take a look at it. Let's see. Open. Oop. There we go. Yeah, good little day for open. All right, so open has an upward trend. Just kind of looking for potential kind of continuation. This will be an area of interest right here. Could try to look for upside if they pull back to that. Set a little alert on that arrow. Let's see. Brandon, good morning. Spy stole my money this morning. Hey, Spy, looks like it's all over the place right now. I bet Theta doing his thing today. But yeah, we don't like to hear about the stealing. Hopefully you get it back. Gerald, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, look at open pushing. Nice and bullish. Okay, so I'm looking at open. Honestly, like this entry is an entry, but I would only expect maybe I wouldn't expect a crazy move from that. So it looks nice, like the expansion is good, but now I'm looking at it like I wouldn't say it serves me right now. Nvidia did some triple quadruple reversals on me today, looking for it. Well, let's see what Nvidia is looking like today. Dang, Yeah, they're all over the place. What they open? Yeah, they open on this candle. Went up, slapped that level, slapped that level. Yeah, videos all over the place. Okay, still about okay 6 days out from Nvidia earnings. Okay, still kind of keeping the not officially the downtrend yet going. SPY doesn't know what to do, and Microsoft doesn't want to run to 525, but we got until next week. Yeah, so here let's talk about it. So this is today, right? But this right here tomorrow, 9 a.m. That's going to determine some market movement. The market does not know what it wants to do, and the market is fearful. Honestly, if I had to guess, honestly, forget me guessing, because I actually would guess both ways because I feel strongly that it could go either way depending on what he says. So I mean, good things would come out of both sides, but also bad things would come out of both ways. So I don't know. Made $21 on OKLO this morning. Hey, that's good stuff. Let's check out that chart. See what that's looking like. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. Okay, a little pop. Good stuff. Hey, April. Top of the morning. Open has some momentum. It is this is a day trade only in my eyes. Hey, I feel that. I feel that. And good morning. Yes, very much so waiting for Powell. Oh, my wife just came home. Or at least I better be my wife. Palantir 15-minute consolidation is great. Oh yeah. Here, let's zoom that out a little bit. Honestly, they look like they might be getting ready to go up some more. Not even gonna lie. Yeah, Palantir might they might push it some more. But that's some one might want to have more time on. But I could see them like kind of slowly rising. Marvin, top of the morning, made a small profit on XPEP. I saw something. I feel like I got an alert on them this morning. XPEP. Oh, sheesh. Okay, that's some movement. Did they have like earnings or something? I saw something about them like being up like 8%. Okay, so they had earnings like 2 days ago. Then they get a surge of volume today. Let's see. Announces increase in shareholding. China car wars. Okay. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Sounds like one can swing it in the money con and put on anything. And hold on 1 second, y'all. still here. Just gotta hand something off real quick. No large packages today, so I'm not gonna be out of here for a while. But all right, cool. So my wife brought me a smoothie. Okay. Robert, top of the morning. Hoping SPY drop a few dollars so I can get out this put from yesterday. They kind of opened kind of down, didn't they? Yeah, they dropped that open, and then here, let's oh, SPY's kind of in a weird. They're not confirming anything today. It's like I think we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow for confirmation. Wow, look at XPeng. That's crazy. Oh, you said hopefully you still have your Palantir call open. Nah, I took profit. I'm just since that's on a small account, I'm kind of just letting it do it, or I'm kind of just rolling with it. So hey, made some money on it, but I am down on that Microsoft position. So it's like that kind of just kept me at break even though I'm still in that Microsoft position. So if that Microsoft position or when it comes back, will should be in a good position, but kind of just because I've just kind of been staying in the same area. And then that SPY was a little helpful too. Hey, top of the morning instance. Hymns on the 30. Is it? Let's see. Bullish on the 4-hour. I mean, there are some buyers there for sure. Let's see the 15. Yeah, it shows like there's definitely some support at this area. I mean, it's kind of in an area of resistance, but yeah, if it comes back to like the $44 area, like looking for short movements and stuff, that's for sure a good area of support on the lower time frame. Didn't buy enough shares. Hey, profit is profit. All I can say. Shares will increase over time. Let me check in. Let me look at Ethereum on the side over here, wherever it may be. Oh yeah, this smoothie is good. Definitely hitting the spot. Kong, top of the morning. What's up, family? Hims just broke the 4-hour high. Here, let's see. We'll go to a 4-hour. Oh no, he's okay. So was that oh, you said was that a table? Oh no, sir, it was not. This, not sure if you can see this right here. Like right here to the side, this is what got delivered. What is at the end of my arm? It's like a room in this room I'm in. It's massive. It took some work. It was crazy. I'm gonna make updates about it today. I'm gonna update y'all for sure. Yeah, this thing is crazy. My wife is unfortunately my wife yeah, about like 20 minutes or so after I posted that, my wife she like walked through the door in the middle of me opening it. It was crazy. I had to use like a hammer and had to use like a hammer and a screwdriver to open it. It probably took like a solid, I don't know, my I got a call from my brother and I got a call from my friend, which kind of slowed me down. It probably took like a solid 45 minutes to open it. And since been holding 155 pounds here all day and now trying to climb. Hey, let's get it. Yeah, Palantir, let's see. Oh, Palantir is just bouncing around. Oh, and it looks like to start the day. Oh, no, that's from yesterday. No, yeah, it's been bouncing around all day. That's it. Okay, hello. Going up again. Hims is, here, let's see. Yeah, still pushing it. Yeah, Hims kind of has a channel going, actually. If you look on the 15. Let's see. All right, let's see if we can extend this. Hold up, something is like vibrating my phone. Let's see if no, it was a little CNBC notification. All right, let's see. Let me get the little top range too. Maybe, yeah, there we go. So yeah, it looks like we got a little channel on Hims today. Is it today? Where'd this start? So this was Wednesday. This was yesterday. We touched the top. We were kind of riding that in the after hours. Market close was over here. Then open was here. So we might not get another chance at this on Hims today. Like you might be able to ride Hims up. Like say, yeah, you might be able to ride Hims up like 50 cents to $1 today. But I don't know. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Trump civil fraud penalty is thrown out by New York appeals. Okay, that's not really going to do anything. Oh, hold on 1 second. All right. Let's see. All right. Oh yeah. Also, just letting y'all know, got a got something in the works. If you have not, it would be greatly appreciated if you could fill out the survey so I can make that a little more tailored. All right, let's see. Do you still use Derive AI? So no, I don't use it anymore. Do I recommend it? I wouldn't say like I don't recommend it, but I don't it's like I think it has its purposes and its uses. It's just not anything that I currently use. Good morning. Jojo, are you actually in El Salvador? Or is that a joke? I must know. How do you have volume and RSI both at the bottom of your chart? So the way to do that is you can kind of like right click on whatever it is and you can click move to or like hover over move to, and where it says you can either do existing pane above. So right there, now my volume's up there. If I want to move it back down, I'll right click on it, click move to, and then I'll do existing pane below. And that's how I got it in there. You you said you mean options contracts, not shares. Oh, okay. I felt like the shares would have been the safer way to go, but yeah, I feel you. I feel you. What do you think about SoFi? I feel like I was looking at it yesterday and I was thinking like, oh, there's a good chance it can come down, but right now, I I think I may have mentioned that. Like I feel like I said something about it like coming back to retest this to the downside and this actually being an entry for downside. So I could see here, I don't know, I can see SoFi. Dang, that's kind of far. Actually, SoFi never came back down here, did it? Let's go to a weekly chart. I don't know. It seemed kind of crazy. I think we need to wait on the weekly chart. It's like sometimes it's like when I'm lost, I need to zoom out. And right now on the weekly chart, it looks like it's still holding this trend. So I'll say ask me on Sunday or ask me on Monday. All right, you can ask me Saturday actually, but SoFi, I'm kind of watching this trend line, and it's like there are times when it gets like less clear, and I'll say that's it right now. Oh yes, you're currently visiting a farm. Okay, that sounds like pleasant El Salvador. All right. What's the most interesting animal you've seen on the farm, or the cutest animal? That sounds like a good time. But I would say watch where you step, or maybe it's not that kind of farm. I don't know. Maybe it's like a berry farm or something. Oh, if it's one of those, maybe you may not need to watch as closely. Actually, you might need to watch out for snakes. I don't know. Oh yeah, I saw the Zoom meeting pop up. I popped in, but changed my mind. I was out and about. Didn't want to share location. Hey, no worries, no worries. Oh, you went to a balloon release. That sounds like fun. You said, did I end up doing the Zoom last night? Yeah, so I had the Zoom, and yeah, the first call, bro, I don't know what's up. I guess it was the way I set up the call, but like when I got in, it only like normally my audio's connected and I can just do it through my computer, but it was like trying to have me call in, and I'm like, yo, what is all this? And then I called in on my phone and it still didn't like work right. Couldn't like really hear me, so just ended it and started again. I think most of the people got in the second one. Think SoFi to 25 either by end of the day or tomorrow. It Yeah, I'd say it could happen. All right, so when I said like kind of what I'm leaning towards tomorrow, I'm leaning towards us still going up. Like tomorrow, I think whatever he says, I think we're going to still go up. I kind of feel like the movement we got has temporarily priced us in. Steve, appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. I feel like the survey, I mean, not the survey, I feel like kind of the price movement we got has priced in our situation. I think we've kind of priced in the fear. And I think that like if Powell kind of keeps his same positioning, I think we can kind of just still go up from that, even if we're still looking at minimal rate cuts. But I do feel like in September, I do feel like we're gonna fall hard. It's like we either fall hard now, or I think we're gonna like really, really get our fall. But yeah, as of like right now, I can see us like we're on the bottom side of this trend line. I can still see us working our way back up to this say 645 level, bouncing off to the downside and then getting slapped down. The sound issue. Hey, no worries, ED Silver. It's like very, very much appreciated though. It's like you won't believe how many times, or maybe you will, maybe you've seen it. I post a watch list and then it's like, oh, no sound. I'm like, oh, dang it. But I was like, yo, I like double check. I gotta like double check, triple check every morning. I'm like, yo, is this on? I'm like, is the computer set to the right microphone? And then it's like, otherwise, I just like recorded, uploaded that, and it goes to waste because it's like there's like a very tight time frame for those, and it's like I just have to remove the post, and I was like, oh, that was a waste of that time. All right, so we're selling off. Let me come back down to the. Okay, we're at the lower end of this range. Hey, maybe we see if we. So the move might be to get a call here, but it might also not be. What are we looking like on the 5? I don't know. Here, let's zoom out on the 1 hour. We're still in a downtrend. It's like I might play something like really light today. I don't. I'll watch on the 5. We'll see how we do. I'll look at the volume, kind of make a decision. Trend wise, I'm not too sure how I feel. Let's check the 2. You said hymns looking okay on the 1 hour, but so on the 15th. They both of them are gonna matter. It really just matters what time frame you're looking at. Ideally, with hymns, you get a touch of this bottom trend line before going up, making it easy to identify what's going to happen. All right, so it looks we're coming down a little bit. Where is this in relation to the day for us? All right, so I'm kind of watching. Let's see. Speaking of Zoom, thanks for taking a. Hey, very welcome, Gerald. Hey, thanks for taking the time to do what you do. Got a call already for SPY going back up. Yeah, I might go real small on one. We'll see. What am I on? I'm on the 5. Let's see. And then the range is okay. The options looking like. That is a good looking 5-minute candle right there. These options are more than I want to pay for 0 DTE. Am I just being cheap right now? I feel like I might be being cheap. What's the VIX at? Okay. It's slightly elevated. That's why I was like, that's why I'm doing it. All right. Is it strongest support? Yes, that's a very, very, very strong support. That 500, or it's a pretty strong support. There's even liquidity like right below it. Did the post zoom reload info somewhere? Yeah, so it's I did upload it in the Discord. I think it should also be on the YouTube channel community post section. It should be there too, and then also on Patreon. I can like post the link. I can drop the link real quick, but it should be in all those locations. I did not take a position. I've been in one on Microsoft, but I did not. Let me wait, what's the day? Thursday? Oh no, yeah, my wife said she works today. This is a 15-minute. Volume's kind of low, so I'm gonna wait. See if we get any like an increase. Here, let me go to the 5. Either an increase in volume, or we did get an increase in volume to the downside. Actually, there was a good amount of volume down here. So if we confirm on the 5-minute, I might be down for a put as well. Oh, I said let me share that link real quick with D-Scurf. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where is the... Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to drop the link right here just so you can see a D-Scurf. There we go. Alright, so we're kind of selling below a little bit. Did you use the channel indicator on hams or 2 lines? I use 2 lines. Oh, it lined up with mine? Oh, hey, where are you finding this channel indicator? M-Sense? I might have to see if I can shortcut my time drawing charts and it's still would be how I draw the charts, hey, I'm down. I'm down to use a channel indicator. That's clean. That's clean. Cause sometimes I'm in a channel and I don't realize I'm in a channel. But if I can realize I'm in a channel, yo, money. Like that Palantir trade yesterday, that would not have happened if like some time ago D Scurv hadn't have said, yo, there's a channel on on Palantir. It's like sometimes I'm in a channel I don't realize, or sometimes stocks are in a channel I don't even realize. Here, let me type in channel. Let's see. I don't know. There's a lot of channels. There's this. That's too much for me to play with. But if y'all find a channel indicator, or like I guess it is an indicator, but if y'all find one, it's like, oh, you're using Webull. Okay. Might have to take another look at that. Look to the left side, second square down. Are we talking about? Oh, you're talking about the tool, right? Like the parallel channel. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, shit. Wait, hold up. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Let's see how even. I'm not sure if it's like perfectly parallel, but we'll try it out. Let's see. Let's try to. Hey, it's pretty darn close. Okay. Hey, we'll take. Hey, we'll take it. T. Ledesma, yeah. I've definitely seen the tool before, but it's like I wasn't when I first saw it. I wasn't even. Hey, sometimes you never really know what you got. It's not gone, but sometimes you just overlook things. Thanks for bringing that to light. I'm over here taking this time drawing 2 trend lines. Crazy. This is the importance of community and like-mindedness. It's like everyone has something to teach, like for real. Said learn this from Spylord. Hey, Spylord. Shout out, thank you. Don't know you, Spylord, but you cool to me. You learned it from Spylord. I learned from T. Ledesma. Actually, oh, you're using Yahoo Finance charts. Good old Yahoo. Anybody in the chat based in Austin, out of curiosity? I'm just curious. All right, okay, the volume hasn't increased, but we're still haven't confirmed, but we are below the line. Have to learn on the daily. Yes, sir. You know, the day you stop learning, you know, let's say the day you die. Use both combination Yahoo Weeble, Robinhood. Just depends on where I'm at. I feel you. I think there was one time I was at I was charging, right, and I had to pull. I was like, let me pull up Trading View on my Tesla. So I'm just using Trading View on the little Tesla screen. It's it's a good time. Hold on, what time frame? The day you stop learning is the day you stop earning. Yo, you could say that. Wait, what is this? Oh, why do I have volume up here too? Yeah, cause I mean, unless you kind of like set yourself up and you have like the just like income streams like that. But yeah, stop learning, get left behind. I saw that in my high school reunion. Got friends that just got kind of comfortable with what they were doing. And it's almost like they missed the past few years. They don't know what's up. Technology and times keep moving. Ramiro, top of the morning. Only able to pop in for like an hour, but hey, that's plenty of time. Hey, yeah, I'm having a good one. I hope you're having a good one. Are you feeling better? Feel like you said you were under the weather the other day. I think that was you. What's the name of that trendline tool? Oh, so it's one of the actual tools built into Robinhood. So the second um, square on the side over here, if you click out, it's going to be I think it was the parallel channel. That was the tool, parallel channel. Close that out. Yeah, man, I had a cracked molar. Oh, that sounds painful. Glad to hear you're on the up and up. All right, so if you were on the call last night, or actually, no, forget that. Well, actually, we're looking like I don't know. We're just doing all this ranging right now. Oh, you know what? Now that I look at it on a 15, this is the range. Oh no, that's exactly what I saw when I first got on the stream. Never mind. Yeah, we're just in a lot of chop right now. Regression trend. Oh, this smoothie got me feeling kind of cold. I have to throw a hoodie on real quick. Feeling like Jackson Hole is going to be the overall earnings play tomorrow. Hey, for real. For real. Because, oh, this morning I was like, oh, shoot, we're going down. And then, I don't know, we're kind of just back where we've been. Not doing anything. And it's like, there are a lot of things at some interesting points, but the interesting points they're at is like, they can legit go either way. So it's like not wise to do anything. It's like I got a day trade today, but I don't want to just like throw it away on like something tiny. If I don't make one today, I have 3 tomorrow. Could potentially be a hot DT, 0 DT Friday. But two is plenty as well. We might oh, let's see how we act at this 13 EMA on the 5. Sometimes silence can be quite refreshing. Small sweeps on the spot. Yeah. It's like I don't know, it's like if you got money and you're trying to like trying to get it, I was like, yo, you can get it. Get like some lunch money here, lunch money there, lunch money there, eat for the whole week, but it's like the less you have, the more calculated you need to be. It's a good time to open up Moomoo and take a look at the top movers. Let's see. Or take a look at the markets tab. VIX is up almost 2%. Or UVXY. TSLL down 1%. Looks like Tesla is like the biggest mover today, or at least when it comes to like so ETFs. Where's Tesla? I mean, it's not too bad. Oh, let's see. Getting on. Oh, I'm on the ETF section. That's why. Okay. Paramount. Neo. Okay. What's up with Neo? Okay, up like 10%. Okay, Neo. I remember a time when Neo was like $50. Yeah, honestly, I don't even oh, let's use the trend projection. We're looking at SPY. See how accurate this is. Okay, open came back to that level. I just got an alert. Let's see. All right, let's see how they do here. Open has a little pullback. Might be go for might come back up and push higher again. Little quick call entry on open. I'm not taking it, but Devin, you said good time for lunch. Hey, for real. Have I had anything to eat today? I don't think I've had like a real meal today, but I feel it's probably the smoothie. I was gonna say I feel kind of full. Mind looking at AEVA. Yeah, let's take a look. Hold up. All right, still consolidating right now, waiting for some things, but that we do like to see that volume that just came in. Kind of, if you go to a daily, I know I don't like the daily chart, but this looks like a double bottom. And then on the weekly, yeah, it looks like it's kind of found support here. Like it's getting ready to kind of move back up. So yeah. Is yeah, 1 hour is fine. So like if you're trying to like oftentimes like taking a quick day trade, you can start on the 1 hour, see what the range is, and then look for it on the 15 minute too. All right. Honestly, sorry. Hey, no worries, Sarah. Once I signed it, stated you were on, and then went to sleep. Oh, no worries, no worries. Hey, rest is important. There's no point in seeing a meeting if you're not like focused and alert to it. But the replay is always available. That's the kind of like the benefit of being in there. So no big deal, no big deal. I know it's hard in the evening sometimes. Life does its thing. The right smoothie is a meal. Hey, right? All right. So that was AEVA on like kind of the higher time frames. You said, yeah. I align with what you said about AEVA. Are you saying September will basically historically, but the market doesn't move in a straight line, but September historically is a negative month. Linus, that is probably an accurate assumption. Some also like something to consider when you're dealing with stocks of lower prices is trading the shares. Whenever you have cheaper shares, you can get option like returns for around the same prices, depending on what you're putting in. You don't have to worry about expiration dates, all that stuff. Something to consider. Very welcome, Kong. You said, do I want him to bounce off the channel or not go under the last candle? I personally, I personally would want it to bounce off the channel. That's a little bit more obvious to me because if it bounces off the candle right now, wait. Oh, I guess it's in the downtrend. But on the day, it's in an uptrend. If it comes and bounces off the channel, especially with the current situation, I feel like you got better odds of it like playing out in your favor if you're getting a call. I'm also thinking when it gets to the bottom, it'll be later in the day. Bounce and not stay below that. I personally would like to see upside on that. Bro, the volume on SPY is like just dying. It's just getting smaller and smaller. Google's kind of showing out today. 50 cents in the green. So is SoFi. SoFi is really showing out today. 60 cents in the green. Let me zoom out, see what the SPY's looking like on the 15 again. Honestly, it's kind of stringing together the black candles. Think it would. Oh, you know what? Let me check out the options analytics on the SPY. They just made another update to Moomoo. They got the little. Okay. All right, but the options today. A lot of volume at the 637. Probably not letting it get too much higher than that. 36. Then there's a lot at the 635 too. All right, so I like the idea of if we get down to like 634 or something, anywhere in that idea, like if I were going to get a 0 DTE, I like the idea of a 635 call or something like that. Cuz I feel like if it comes down here to this low, it won't be long. It'll be like very fast, so just kind of looking at the levels of things. So, yo, if we can get a move like that, I'll take it. Okay, we're trying to come down below 635. Let's see if we can get that to happen real fast. I'll take me a 0 DTE. I wish I would. I have bought further out. Called myself getting in while it was moving. Currently down $3. Yes, patience will do you well in this market. Good morning. Are there any? Randy, the market has not moved. Honestly, not really. I would love to see us like come down to this low so I can try to like ride it up here. That's just like a 70. That's about an 80-cent move that I would be so happy to get. But where am I checking SPY volume option volume? It's on Moomoo. Here I might be able to like do a quick walkthrough. Let's see. Let's see if I can. Let me pull up the iPhone mirroring and like put it on the screen. Where is it? I'll try to show it. All right, let's make sure my screen is visible. Okay. All right, so it should be on the screen. So this is the Moomoo app. Now let's say I'm trying to look at the SPY. I'll click on the options right here. And then kind of in this area right here, you'll see chain, strategy, analysis, and unusual activity. What you'll want to do is click on analysis. Then you can scroll down. And it doesn't show when I hover over on this, but if I just do it on my phone, I can see how much volume is at each like kind of strike price or level. Each of these lines represents a different kind of level. So that's kind of where you see the volume. And then like down here, you can also see the open interest as well. So that's how I do that. I'm gonna turn that off now. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, so there is volume at 635, but I don't know. I feel like it could get to like 633, or I'm looking at the open interest now. If it came to 630, it's for sure not going lower than that, but it's like with enough volume, I could see it getting pushed down there. Think 103 is a good support for hood. I have no idea. I feel like I saw it at 101 yesterday. Where is it? I mean, on the day, it's a good support. Hey, you're very welcome, Tommy. Yeah, so 103 is probably like there's support at this kind of 105.50 area. Then you got 103, then like 101. So yeah, those will be good areas. Wow, that was great, and thanks. Very welcome. People hit that thumbs up button. Yes, there's a button. To those of you that are unaware, just below, just below the video. If you scroll down just below the video, there is an icon. It's shaped like a thumb, kind of shaped like this. To those of you, if you look on the screen, see it's shaped like that. It's probably a different color, different hue. Might be white, might be gray, maybe blue. Um, it's not the color that matters. What matters is that you find that icon. If you have a cursor, if you have a mouse, hover it over it, smash it, click it, boop it, interact with it. It'll do a little dance for you. You might see some squiggly lines that come out of it. And a lot of times there's an animation. But that around here, around the chat, in this world of YouTube, in this streaming world, we refer to that as smashing the like button. It really helps to support the channel, really helps to, motivate better trades as well, when the opportunities come. I don't know. And it's absolutely free to do, really it's very much appreciated as well. So to the I think there were probably about like 6 of y'all that just smashed the like button. Hey, very, very, very much appreciated. Thank you very much. This is why I do what I do. For the likes. Every day I wake up, I stream, and I say, I'm going to hop on stream. I'm going to get 56 likes. It's going to be the best day of my life. It's all because of you. Oh shoot, 57. Wow, that's crazy, bro. Y'all blowing it up right now. Well, hold up, we gotta on the real. IQ so real said, 58. Okay, y'all going ham now. All right, can you tell me what you think support for Wolf is? Can you give me a time frame? Because there are several levels of support for Wolf. And it's like if I don't know like what time frame you're looking at, it's like wolf's at support right now, but there are multiple levels of support below it. You said you a wild boy for that thumbs up. Hey, appreciate that. Hey, sometimes you gotta learn. You gotta learn how to interact and engage. You know, it's like hey, around these parts we go crazy for a like. You know, we go crazy. No, I'm kidding. Go crazy for a like though, a little bit. Actually, I'm not like a go crazy kind of person, but I'll shoot you. Okay, y'all got it up to 65. Okay, y'all getting them up there. Hey, Big Reg, what's up? What's up, Big Reg? What is time frame? Time frame is like if you say, "Oh, I'm like I don't know if you're taking a day trade or if you're trying to take a short trade or if you're on the 5 minute, the 15 minute, like different charts. That's what I mean by the time frame. Like so it's like each one of these candles right now on this wolf chart. This is the 1 hour time frame. So each one of these candles is an hour. If we drop down, this is a 5 minute time frame because each of these time frame or candles is a minute. So it's like it looks like it's at an area of support right now, but below that there's also another one at 869. Below that there's another at 815. So that's what I mean by like what time frame. Market in a holding pattern, waiting. Honestly, I would say to you, if most of y'all, if y'all are trying to take a trade right now, if I'm being real with y'all, if y'all ask me if y'all should take a trade right now, I would honestly say you're better going outside and touching some grass and leaving the market alone today. I don't. It's like I feel like if anything is going to happen today, they're going to make it happen in the last hour, and it's going to be when you're not even able to take advantage of it. I don't think anything's going to happen. It's like right now the market is stealing valuable time from you. What if I'm not a grass toucher? Yo, we all need to be grass touchers. Even if you got allergies, I know people got allergies. We all need to touch grass. We need to get in sync with the earth. It's like the earth has a I don't know, kind of like I'm not sure if it's a frequency, but it actually like when you come into contact with the earth, it kind of resets and levels your like your inside. It actually heals you to touch grass and do such things such as that. Um, Ideally, this isn't grass with fertilizer and stuff like that because that can burn you, but it legit kind of like resets your insides and kind of is good for your blood cells and all that. Like when you get outside, like kind of barefooted or like just when you come into contact with the earth, this is referred to as grounding and it's good. It's kind of like antioxidants for your body. It helps fight aging and all that. So, yo, if you're not a grass toucher, maybe go walk on the beach. I know not everyone has a beach nearby, but it's like yo, touching grass is good for you. Ground yourself. Go back up, Spy G. I want Spy to come down first, so I can get something like, and then go up. But no, the market is not really doing much. When I'm not in the call, it rebounds no problem. Yeah, it's like I don't know. It's like the thing is we gotta watch the volume. The volume is like not doing anything. That said, I'm leaving the market alone till something changes this afternoon. Hey, have a good evening, Linus. Glad to hear you're doing that. Honestly, Linus. Yeah, do your thing, bro. Enjoy yourself, Linus. Grounding is good for you. Hey, for real, it really is. It really is. But also on that note, I'm gonna be real. I don't like I'm not like too big a fan of just walking barefoot on stuff like that. It's like kind of the beach, but you got all these like pets and stuff like I was like say you got a dog just come and like just poops on the beach, or I've seen people step in it. So it's like I always like watch where I'm stepping bare feet, stuff like that. It's good for you, but also you got a lot of parasites and like dirty things too. So mindfulness is also something that's good for you as well. Hey, what's up, Pete? Hope all's well. Yo, we are really just chilling here, just like that. I'm glad to hear it. What is this? That barefoot on the beach is real talk. First time I ever have I lived on the beach. It's awesome. Yo, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Just sometimes watch where you step. Only thing. Hey, Pete, all is well over here. All is well. Everything is amazing. God is good. All right, Spy, I need to take a side. I just put myself in cuffs and hey, Steve, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, it's like hey, this is I think this is what they call sitting on the fence. It's legit what we call sitting on the fence. Spy's not picking sides, not today. Maybe tomorrow. If I had to guess, I'd say the side is up. Actually, let me do something. I might do something wild. What's today? Today is the okay. Let's see. Tomorrow. I was about to try to grab like a really cheap spy call. Or you know what? Hmm. No, I'm not really gonna risk that. Risk that. I could probably make that tomorrow. So no, forget that. Yes, even tree hugging can be. Yeah, hey, it gets you in tune with the earth's like what is it like the charge or something? It's like it legit grounds you. So yeah, it's good. But also yeah, if you're hugging a tree, look out for the bugs that can be on it as well. Like I'm very like careful of things. I remember, I think maybe when I was like 12, 14, somewhere in that range. My family took a trip to Florida, right? And we get to the airport, I see a palm tree. I like lean on it, got my hand on it, and bro, there were like a bunch of like fire ants on it, and they got all over me and they just bit me. No, actually, I don't even think I like leaned on it. I think I was like standing, like kind of around the base of it, and those fire ants just like crawled all up my shoe. They started biting me on the ankles and stuff. All right, there you go, Philip. There's a little pop right there. There's like no volume to accompany it, but there's a pop on the spy right there. But yeah, I got bit up, so it's like I'm usually very careful of where I'm sitting and standing. Yes, true. Watch where you step. Recently, we had gators spotted in the ocean. Oh yeah, yeah. I've seen like some like vlogs and stuff where people. I don't think it was Panama, but I think it might have been like Costa Rica or something, where they went surfing on the beach and it's like, oh yeah, they're gators. So yeah, be careful. To hey, good stuff, Philip. Wise man. Now, hey Philip, if I were you, I would like just I would say bye, close off the stream, and like stop looking, cause sometimes the market's just like, you know what, he just got out of this play. Let's run. It might feel better just to not even not even view it anymore. It's like you got your $12, nice little snack right there, and be about your day. You say, yeah, thanks for the note. Hey, you're very welcome. Coconut falling from a 20 feet. Oh, please tell me that didn't happen to you. That sounds like a concussion. That sounds like that'll knock you out. I don't know how. I don't know what was going through their head, but I saw a video of this. It was like a dude standing on a car. He has a watermelon, and there's a woman standing underneath it, and like she is waiting for him to drop it, or I think she's waiting for him to throw it on her head to like try to break it. And for some reason, she thought she was gonna be okay, but the watermelon just hits her head, and like she legit just passes out. I don't know what's motivating people, but 10 foot away and scared the heck. Did it hit you? And if it hit you, I hope it didn't hit you in the head. It's funny on cartoons, but that's concerning when it happens to people. But also, that being said, like legit coconuts, bro, fire. Taste amazing. Hey, let's get the likes up. Only 25. Come on. Oh, I think hey, we have more than 25. If you refresh, you'll see. We actually hey, we got a silly number of likes right now. We got 70 minus 1 likes. If you know how to do it's gone. We got 70 likes now. Appreciate that, family. Yes, Costa Rica is right next door, just a driveway. Today is a hunt for leaps and swings day at least to have them on the list waiting for tomorrow morning. So it's like I was like cool with like I was about to grab a call. Like out of the money call. Like I was gonna grab like a 6:39 call for tomorrow, but I think there's elevated IV because of what's going on tomorrow. So I thought I was smart, but apparently I'm not the only one. So oh, you said no huge thump. Okay, all right, that's better. That's better as long as it didn't touch you. All right, and the spy came back down to his where it's been at. Come on down, Matthew Coconut. Plenty sold here on the roadside. Oh, you got them sold? Hey, nice. Yeah, it's like my wife and I, bro. I don't know what's up with it, but see, there's coconut water. I don't know the coconut water they sell here, and then there's like the like authentic coconut water. It's like we like I don't know. It's so good that we like pay a little more for it. And it actually smells a little nutty. Okay, hold up, Spy trying to come down a little bit. Nothing crazy, but hey, I might get a zero DTN and or zero DTE and let's see. Are we trying to come down here? Come on, let's push. The volume's still low on this move too, as of right now. Uh, I think it will, but that could also get thrown out of the door depending on how tomorrow goes. All right, so this is how I think this ends. I think we have this bearish candle right here on this one. I think the next one candle starts off kind of pushing down here, but I think it kind of closes pushing up. That's my assumption. We'll see what happens, but oh no. Still gotta see how this candle does. Oh, Hims is pretty close to the bottom of the range though. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Also, Spy could rebound this week. It's not out of the question. It's very well a possibility. Okay, so it's still chilling here right now. It doesn't quite looking like it's playing out like how I thought it would. It's a good thing I don't trade pocket options. Actually, it might. It might. Could still happen. What do options on Hims look like? Let's see. It is Thursday, so this is like the cheapest day to buy contracts to swing. So let's see. Honestly, okay, so that's what a call is going for. What's a put going for? Hmm. Hmm. What kind of movement is Hims offering? Here, let's see. 1 hour. Let's see on the 4 hour. So yesterday, 4 up to today, 440 or 45 down to okay. This high over here is 44. Theta, oh, that's like 40 cents though. Nah. Can't do it. Can't do it. It's like good potential, but tomorrow most stocks are zero DT. Yeah, so yeah, tomorrow everything should be zero DT except for the like quarterlies and stuff, the monthlies and quarter. Oh, is tomorrow the a triple witching? Hmm, interesting. Wait, yeah, I think it might be. Yeah, tomorrow is the perfect storm with the ton of yeah. Hmm, very interesting. Something about being in the salt water in the ocean is very grounding. Yes, but also the ocean is very terrifying at the same time. It is very very grounding, but also very humbling. It's like, yo, if if it wanted to, yo, you the ocean, the waves, bro, psh, mm, insane. All right, spy trying to. I don't know what the spy is trying to do. It's trying to just sit on the fence. Never turn your back on water. Hey, for real. I don't think it's a coincidence that like all the most terrifying things are to be found in the sea. Like all the most terrifying creatures. Yo. All right. Hmm. Hey, fun fact. 11 years ago today, I took my yeah, not that y'all asked, but 11 years ago today, I took my like I guess like it's not when I graduated, but like graduation photos for like the yearbook or like the pictures in my cap and gown for the yearbook. So it was like right before the school year started. It's crazy. Time flies. Wait until the seas give up. Hey, for real, bro. Bro. Yeah, the ocean. Like once again, I didn't realize. I think I like the sea. I like the sea from the land, bro. I got on like the little boat and and like got out to see the dolphins and stuff. I'm like, this is calm, but I'm like low key. I have absolutely no ideas what is right below me right now. And this is kind of terrifying. I'm like, yo, I'm looking as the wave is kind of just washing me over. And I'm like, yo, that wave is like way up here. But then it just kind of comes and just, now I'm at the top of the wave. now the wave is up there. Now it's like, yo, that mess is, it's crazy. It's summertime, so the North Shore in Hawaii is pretty flat, but check out Tahiti in the southern hemisphere. Tahiti's been going off. Cole Rothman on you. Does he like surf? And I've been to like legit the place in the world where they have the largest waves, and those waves are terrifying. Like absolutely terrifying. I actually have a video that I wanted to record. Like I recorded for like a little. It was when I was in Portugal. It's called Nazaré. I was in Portugal and bro, honestly, the beach, like right there is a side where it's like it's just casual, but like right on the other side of like this kind of like cliff thing, bro, the waves are like terrifying, and it's like, yo, it's huge, and it's like the beach is like, normally there's like a steep or like kind of like a gentle grade going into it, bro. It's like steep. It's like if you try to go down to the beach where the like to the edge of the sand where it meets the water, bro, that that mess moves so far. Revelations 2013. Here, let's see. Yeah, that's once again, yeah, these guys are very terrifying. Yeah, Revelations is hey, one day at a time, one day at a time. Pro surfer from the north of Oahu. Yo, I meant to share it a long time ago. Oh, hold up, we're pulling back a little bit. Hold up. Is this an opportunity? What are we looking like on the 15? Yo, we're trying. We're trying. So I think it was like a few weeks ago. I tried one of those like surfing things. I'm gonna pull it up here in a moment. I completely forgot about it. I think I wanted to post it, but I completely forgot. Life moves so fast. Yeah, went this place called Epic Waters. I'll show y'all after this kind of after I kind of see what's up with this. Yeah, because they're really trying to make it look kind of nice. Let me look at the options numbers on Moomoo again, because they kind of change from time to time. See what the volume is. Still okay. All right. I would really love to see us. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, I got what I want lined up. You said you said him scrape the channel. Yeah, I was talking about it when it did. I had thought about going for it, but I'm looking at a shorter time frame, so I was like, nah, it doesn't feel as comfortable for me. They're weighing out the calls and the puts for tomorrow for the big move in the hey, for real. Yeah. HBO did a show. Yo, that hey, yeah, I saw the waves. Yeah, that Nazare, and that wasn't even the biggest. It was windy when I went, so the waves were like huge, but I know it wasn't like the biggest. All right, I'm starting to. Here, I'm gonna come down to a smaller time frame. What we looking like on the 2? I'm gonna just take that, drag that over, make this one a little bigger. Is it too funny about going outside and just, hey, it's true. It's very true. All right, come on. Are they going to be nice to us today? What do you think about trading tomorrow? I think tomorrow will be volatile, but I think it's also important to be where your feet are. And right now, my feet are in the present. And it's like tomorrow is, we can only speculate. I think it can go either way. Camden Evans, quick question. I watched your video and set up my trading view like yours, but in the video it doesn't show the indicators you. Oh, so I do have a video on that, but oh, hold up. All right, so I'm gonna real quick. Please fill my order. Okay, I'm gonna have to throw in a different order because they're not trying to fill my order. All right. So I just grabbed 636 0 DTEs expiring today. Or well, yeah, that's what the 0 DTE is. But yeah, I just grabbed 3 of those. Let me share that with the family real quick. We'll see kind of how this plays out. Let me just grabbed SPY 636 calls expiring today, paid 37 per share. All right, we'll see what happens with these. All right, so I grabbed 3 of them. So I'm gonna try to get out of there. So I'm up like 5%. Camden, I'll get back to you though. All right, up 8%. All right, what we looking like on the 15? Actually, I'm gonna try to play patient. So here, let's see. Did a couple QQQ puts today. Each made a few hundred. Hey, good stuff. Long spy 636. Just sold out my spy. Hey, good stuff. ED Silver. Hey, good stuff. All right, so when you ask what indicators I use, so I have the EMAs. So I use the 13, the 48, and I'll have the 200 EMAs on as well. So the 13 is going to be right here. The 48 is going to be the orange one. And whenever you see the purple one on, like it's up here today, that's going to be the 200. Do you think Palantir is... that is what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it just wants to trade in its zone today. It doesn't even have to just be today. I think it's going to do that until it breaks out of its range. Oh, and then also down here I have the RSI, and then I have the volume in here. All right, so I'm down on my trade now. Just a little bit, but I'm down. All right, let's see if we can get any kind of push. Let me set an alert up here, just in case I miss anything. All right, so we still got like 8 minutes on this candle. So let's see how we do here. Let's check the volume. Did I buy calls or puts? I bought calls. Let me check the volume here. The volume's still pretty low for what's going on. Let me check the updated options analytics. What I got I got 636. Yeah, so I want to see how this candle closes. So I'll be in here at least another like 7 minutes at the least. Let me check in on the 5 though. All right, pushing it down. Still got like a minute and a half on this candle. Volume not crazy or anything though, but the price is like moving. I'm gonna slide this back out. I didn't trade QQQ at all today. I haven't traded anything today except for this SPY call I just grabbed. That's all. All right, so that's 1-5. Well, we still got a few more seconds on this 5 minute. Got like 10 seconds. Then I got one more 5 minute candle to wait for. Slight elevation in volume. Yo, Hims is back like right at that level. Let's see what the VIX is looking like. Why is the VIX coming up? Oh, let me check for news, make sure nothing's going on. News. I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything. Take it back to the 15. Also, this is the first complete candle that's been down here. Let's see, 5. Got this on the 5. Check on the 1. We also got like this 330 area over here, or 633 area. Looking like on the 4. On the day, we've actually kind of been stringing to the downside. Could the SPY go for liquidity? So yeah, there are buyers there. Yeah, that is a possibility. Very well a possibility. Yeah, I was just looking at today's, but I still want to see how they close this out, if they hold here or not. Like when it comes to where I actually entered, it's still higher than it was when I entered, but I should be down on my contracts right now. Let's see. Yeah, I'm down like 16%. Here, let's see. Trading and surfing are very similar in that you're reading the chart or the ocean to know. Okay, I see you. I see you with the analogies. I see you. That's one way to think of it. Might have to call me chart surfer. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna still have to show y'all this video of me doing this little surf thing if I get out of this trade. All right, so now I'm down 8%. Yeah, that theta is killing. Down 5%. But we want to be in the green. Okay, so this is actually a good sign on the 15. All right, so this low over here. Made this low, came from. So this could actually push to being in the money. What is this, a 636 call? It could actually push to being in the money. So we'll see how the energy kind of comes on this. Oh, why is it showing them down like 16%? I feel like it's being manipulated right now. I don't think I should be down 16%, but hey, 'tis what it is. We'll just let the stocks move and play out. We can see right here on this last candle, the volume is increasing and it's green on that 5 minute. So that's a good look right there. Fear and greed index is neutral at the moment. Curious what it'll look like tomorrow. Yo, that's a good question right there. What will it look like tomorrow? We shall see. We shall see. Okay, push up. Yeah, do that little thing, SPY. Let's go. Come on. I'm still down like 5%. Oh, down 2%. Okay, I'm up 2%. Let's go. All right, up 8%. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Come on. Up 10%. 16%. I always feel like that with Robinhood taking my money, but chart's barely moving. I know how you feel. Know how you feel. Oh, okay. Little pullback action. But it should be all right for now. For now, we'll see. Let me get a quick look on the 15 real quick. Okay. Back to the 5. Dang, these 0 DTEs don't play. My goodness. Never do market orders on that. I know how you feel. Yeah, I get what you mean. All right, VIX coming down a little bit. Love to see that take a little drop right now. That would be a good look for the short term. All right, back up 8%. I gotta pee, but I gotta watch the charts too. Talk about timing. Hey, this is one I actually have to watch the charts for. 13%. %10. Okay, yeah. Push, little spy guy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. I feel like the numbers have changed since I entered the trade though, cause the delta. So if I entered around like 6:34:30 or so, at 6:35:30, it had me being up like a lot more. So up there, I should theoretically. Well, let me see. Delta. Yeah, I should theoretically be up a lot more. The delta was lying. We'll see. We'll see. All right, so up 24, 25%. He said them Greeks don't be playing for real. And maybe the theta is fighting harder than the delta. Oh yeah, that theta is like, yeah, that theta is insane actually. It's insanity. So here for just say, I'm gonna sell out at two of them. That's kind of like a little sacrifice. Oh, and then the price just jumped more. All right, so I sold out at two of them. Took a little profit on them. And now I have one kind of going. I'm gonna alert the family that I took profit on too. At 42 cents per share. Oh, let me. Wait, hold up. I didn't even get a screenshot. I thought I did. Where'd it go? Oh, here we go. Oh, they were filled at 43. Even better. There we go. All right, so up 54%. There we go. There we go. That's what we like to see. Up 78%. Oh, actually, hey, the theta. Okay, the theta actually fell in line. Theta actually fell in line. That's clean. All right, so I'm kind of cooling right there. Yeah, I'm cooling right there. I'm a maybe not. Maybe not. All right. So I just got on my last contract right there. So that's my trade. All right. So took profit on the last one at 60 cents per share. It can still go higher. Like I think I saw it could maybe get to about 630, 630. I'm cool with it though. Just took profit on final contract at 61 per share. All right, so small little win for the day. There we go. Let's get it. Cool. Hey, was itching for a trade. It worked out. Cool. All right, so there we are. It can still go, but now I can show y'all like that little video of me surfing. But here, let's see. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, so Palantir looking more like a falling wedge pattern. I think that's what I think that's kind of what I was saying. I don't like hold up. Maybe not. Oh, it's like so I was looking at yeah, yeah. Yeah, right here. Yeah, the little falling wedge. That's what I was saying like kind of earlier today when I was saying Palantir look bullish. It's like honestly, I'm not the best with the names of the pattern, but yeah, I do see yeah, it's kind of like pulling back right here and I know that to go up more often. So yeah, when I said it looked bullish, that's I think we were saying the same thing. Angie B, how far do you go back to check if your tickers in upward in up or downward move? So I guess it depends on the time frame. It looks depends on what I'm looking for. Um, like it really depends. It's situational. Um, like no, yeah, it's really situational. Like I wish I could give you a more exact answer. Like if you could get the more precise the situation, the more precise of an answer, but like it really just depends. I'll say like I'll look back to the next like liquidity like over here today. I was looking over here at this morning like at open. I'm riding all the way to break even, then hold one for the rest of the ride. Hey, good stuff, Devin. I mean it. I think I had this one like I said this one like what I would look for 630 630. I would or yeah 636 and 30 cents. That would probably be where I'm like, all right, I'm done. Maybe even 630 650, because that even lines up with the 48 EMA. But I'm sure if you're still in that trade, yo, you're paid right now. Right now I was just trying to give back. So it's like yo that went kind of crazy. It's just like right now with the I'm still not with the kind of like once the zero DTEs kind of go out, or once you get closer to the end of the day on the zero DTE, the theta really starts eating at you, and it's like I'm not fully with it. I'm gonna transfer those profits over to my Roth though. Let's see. Send those over. There we go. Yeah, get that money over. All right, let's see. In at 32 on 3 and out at 48. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff, Tommy. Okay, let's see. Robert took the same and profit. Hey, good stuff. Uni, great. You said flag. What was the flag for? Very welcome, big time. Can you look at Tesla? I think it's on a swing, upswing on the 5. So right now there's still like, well, okay, let's go to. So similar to what happened with the SPY, looking at this liquidity right here, um, Yeah, similar to what happened with the SPY, Tesla is kind of facing the same thing. So this is what I was looking at on the SPY right here, and I was looking at it to maybe go about like right here. I'm not sure if Tesla's going to make that same move because Tesla's came from it could happen. So Tesla's would actually be like up to like 23 or 25, but not every stock moves like the SPY. So it's like it could have a similar mirrored move, but really just depends. It's like you can get the move in Tesla, but I personally think like volatility wise and price wise, it's probably going to be what is it? The contracts might be better on the SPY. Thanks for the call idea, friend. Closed out. Hey, good stuff. Hey, good stuff. Love to hear that, Shada. Just took 11 grand 400 on profit. Hey, good stuff. Hey, glad to hear it. Hey, get that money, family. Hey, one day I'll be trading with those amounts too. Hey, I'll be there. We'll be there. Oh, the good we'll be able to do. Very welcome, Tommy. Ended up selling both. Okay. Yeah, I have a Roth through Robinhood. I did have it through did have the Roth through Thinkorswim, but I actually like I really like having it on Robinhood. It's really nice. And like now that Robinhood is actually they're building all these products, the reason that I would have wanted to have it on TD Ameritrade or with TD Ameritrade, Robinhood is actually starting to establish itself. So I'm actually very cool with that. Can you explain your Microsoft call the other day? So the Microsoft call was like a sweep of liquidity. Kind of there was liquidity at this level at 508. Um, Liquidity did not sweep there, so it did not turn out. But now there's more liquidity here at this like $500 area. So now I'm just like, oh, we're so close. It can happen at any time. So I'm just kind of like I've made enough to kind of like pay for the trade, and I have an extra week on it. So I was like, hey, may as well just stay in. That's the only reason I'm still in on Microsoft. But yeah, as of right now, it's nothing's really going on. So like if we go to a daily, we can see liquidity at this 500 level. And it's like I may get more or another contract at this level, but right now, the Microsoft's not really doing anything. Miss Solange, hi, this is new for me. What's the best way to start? So I got a playlist. Highly recommend watching this playlist because I think the best thing to do is like get familiar with the charts. So I just posted the link in the chat, and what it's going to take you to
set up for
it's going to take you to this video right here. And oh wait, hold up. It's going to take you to this video. It's going to show you how to set up this charts, how to set up your chart tools. Then it's going to go into like how to read a candlestick, how to actually analyze a trend. This is all stuff you want to know before you like actually trade. And then you want to know how to draw trend lines, how to analyze a trend on the chart, understanding like risk versus reward, like where to place your stop loss, and then like how to actually buy and sell a stock. And then like after that, if you continue on, it's going to show you how to
look. I'm going to make this simple.
It's going to show you how to take a swing trade. Like it's going to like before you do any like day trading or trade on lower time frames, you're going to want to know how to do it on higher time frames. And then like you just kind of work your way through. Then the third video is about how to trade options, like actually trade the options. Fourth is going to be how to practice. Fifth is going to be how to set a stop loss. Six is like after you've been trading them for a while, you might find like, yo, I don't understand how these move. It's going to show you how to understand the pricing. And then seven, this is how I find my options contracts. This is going to be the simplest way to explain finding like what prices and stuff to get. I think it's the best explanation I've ever heard on getting to what contracts that you actually want to purchase and whatnot. Hey, very, very welcome, DB. I made 639 call this morning for SPY, so I'm hoping it keeps climbing maybe. I don't. I would say I'm doubtful that it's gonna go up there. I'm gonna say it's probably gotten pretty close. Yo, it went like exactly where I was talking about, like where I would have said I'd probably be out of it there. And I said it could push to like 636 or so, but that like 636 kind of 30 area, it pretty much went like right there. Now it looks like it might be losing steam, but it's still going on the 5, but it looks like it's slowing down. All right. You said, how did you open the Roth? I really don't know. I think you just go to the settings and I really don't know. Like, I would just look around in the settings and maybe investing. I have no idea. Oh, I see apply to trade futures, apply to trade event contacts, tracks. But oh, I got another day trade available. But what was I saying? Yeah, you just have to go in your account settings and like honestly look around. I can't show you because I already had the account. And it's been a while since I've done it, so I don't know, but if you look around in the settings, you'll find the ability to like, I don't know, I feel like it might say like Robinhood retirement or something, or anything you see about retirement. I think that would be the way to open the account. Oh, you're very welcome, Miss Solange. All right, let me all right, let's see if I can show y'all about this where is it at? Oh, there we go. All right. Where do you go to check to see how many day trades you have left? So you click on the bottom right on the little guy, then you click on investing, then you scroll to the bottom, and then it'll say day trades, and it'll show how many you have left. I can't show you because for some reason, or I know the reason, it makes me like kind of show my Face ID, or it makes me do Face ID to sign into Robinhood, so it doesn't work with the every time it locks, or every time it switches over to the phone screen mirroring, it doesn't like work, and it signs me out. But here, let's see. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the little phone, my little phone thing. All right, so right here, this is when I went like kind of, I didn't go. This is this place called like Epic Waters. I was like kind of like, I guess surfing. It's my first time ever doing anything like this. So I got like someone helping me right there. And yeah, they're like, yo, do this. And that mess felt weird. It's like I can like snowboard and stuff, but hey, you're very welcome, big time. Wait, oh, Oh, there we go. There we go. We're getting out there. I wasn't sure I was gonna get out there, but yeah, they're kind of like holding me. I'm like out there. I'm trying to go. Like we're trying to. Hey, we're out here doing the thing. I'm like, yo, let me go. Let me do my thing. And it's like, hey, there we go. Oh, here, let me move this so it's not blocking the spy. But yeah, it's like, yo, I'm out. I'm on my own. I'm like, yo, I want to turn. I want to carve. I want to do stuff. But I'm like, yo, this mess feels weird. It's not exactly like surfing. It's like I think when you're snowboarding, I think I don't even realize what foot it's. All right, so yeah, I ain't wipe out like people do when they stop. I was just like, oh yeah, I'm losing myself. Let me step off. All right. Oh wait, hold up. Let's see. Where's it? Let me show y'all a little. All right, this was attempt number 2. Oh wait, hold up. There we go. Attempt number 2. Right here, I think I was a little bit nicer with this one. Hold on, let's see. Let's see. Where we at? So I was kind of little bit better, but what was wild to me was like, yo, I had to wait like so long in line. They were like, turn around, turn around. They're like, hey, turn your shoulders. I was like, yo, this is a lot of work. Hey, y'all see you zoomed in on me right there. But yeah, I'm like, hey, I'm eating. But I'm like, yo, I want to move from side to side. It was not happening. It's like I wanted to go again, but like the amount of time you had to wait in line to get into that stuff, so I was just like, all right. But hey, you did not catch. Actually, I think I sat down here, or like, I was just like, oh yeah, let me just like get up. Oh, he didn't even show me getting up. But after this, one of the guys I went with, watch this. Yeah, that's how most people were looking. So on their first time, so it was like, yo, I was kind of nice for my first time. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, let's see, let's see. It's like I could put that on TikTok. I'm not gonna do that to him, but I could put that on TikTok. That thing would go crazy. Surfing is wild. That video's cool. Yeah, I feel like the older and the more aware I am, I'm like, yo, I'm not trying to like surf for real out in the ocean. That's probably as close as I'll get to it. I used to want to, but yo, the more awareness I have, I'm like, nah. Did some pool cleaning and caught you all back here. What's cooking? Did we? Yes, Linus. We actually got some money. Some people stayed around a little longer. They got like some money. But I think here, let me see how much. Caught one that ran. Let's see. I feel kind of bad now because I told you to go, and then like the spy's like, yo, Linus rolled out. Let's get it. Let's see. So my best contract, I took 65% on today. But yeah, that's kind of it. Appreciate that, Tommy. If you go through help, it has a option to help you set it up. Thank you, Yoli Labs. Uh, Appreciate that, Brandon. Kelly Slater's Surf Park in Cali. I feel like they have them in malls out here too. Surfing's pretty big here in Panama. You said now we go for the putt. Hey, don't get me started about putting. I like putting, but I feel like you're talking about the market. That looks like me watching your videos and then swing trading using the 15 minutes at. Oh, M cents. Oh no. But yo, with that being said, I gotta pee, and we're gonna like close it out here because I actually have a lot to do today. It's been real though, family. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming by, Happy we're able to get the bread together. Yo, if you can and have not already, just a friendly reminder that there is a like button there, and we do like to smash that. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Peace out, DB. Peace out, Devin. Peace out, Robert. Peace out, Miss Solange. Peace out, Big Time. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Linus. Peace out, Tommy. Peace out, Yoli Labs. Peace out. Did we? Yeah, we did. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Yeah, y'all stay blessed. Hope y'all have a great day. And yo, with that being said, Matthew Manuel. Oh, peace out, JoJo. Yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Yoni Jung. Stay blessed. Love y'all. Peace.